my gosh, it's so pretty. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys, pero it's not a cooking video, it's an unboxing video. So I am unboxing my very first Young Living package. So this is my starter kit. And Young Living is a brand of essential oils. So I decided to get into this because I wanted my room to smell good. But aside from that, essential oils is known for helping your mental health, and I think mental health and your physical health is very important right now, especially during these trying times. So I want you guys to take a look at my starter package. Hangin. May hangin. Para hindi umalog-alog. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so these are the contents of the box. So one, meron tayong product guide. Wait, let me put these down first. So one, we have the product guide. So this is parang yung catalog nila, so that you can see all their other stuff that they, all the other stuff na they sell. So very important. So I'll put that aside muna. This one is the Desert Mist. So Desert Mist, yan lang yung type ng diffuser that I got. Because there are many designs, like merong owl, meron yung regular lang. So this is the one that I got. I'll show you later. Nice, beautiful, sturdy packaging. More instructions. The charger adapter, whatever. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Para siyang Moroccan themed diffuser. Super duper cute. I love this. I'll show it to you guys pag umiilaw na. Okay, that's the inside. And then you put the water in here. And you put the water in here. This one's just an outer covering. So, design lang siya talaga. Time to open this one. I'll show you inside niya. It slides off like this. Ooh! A+ for the packaging, ha? And then you open it like a book. Ooh. Looks like this. Super beautiful packaging. May list siya ng all the oils that come in the package. So, ito yung mga essential oils natin. And then we'll look at it one by one. Let's do a smell test. Hindi taste test, smell test. So this is the peppermint. Peppermint essential oil is one of the most versatile single oils. Apply it as desired for refreshing aroma. Hindi siya yung typical na peppermint, like yung mint na nilalagay sa brownies. Parang mas light siya. It's very peppery, pero parang it smells leafy at the same time. It smells good though. This is Thieves. Thieves is a blend of cinnamon bark, clove, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary, and lemon essential oil. Oh, I love this. It smells like Christmas. It smells like Christmas. It's probably because of the cloves. Moussaka. I love this. It smells very Mediterranean. Parang ganon. We have lemon. Very basic. Smells like lemon. Nice, fresh. Masarap pag masakit ang ulo mo or nahihilo ka. Yeah, smells like lemon zest. Lemon zest with a touch of yung juice. That's what it smells like. It smells really good. It's called The Guys. The Guys contains a blend of grounding aromatic oils that can create a comforting environment at meal times. Ah, okay. Okay, so maybe it's The Guys because it stands for digest. Digest. It stands for digest or something. So it has tarragon. So you can apply this over your stomach or diffuse following meals, after meals. Okay, so parang nga siyang pang-digest. Get the guys. Okay, so this is the next one. Copaiba? I'll call it Copaiba. Copaiba is kind of special. So unlike other essential oils, Copaiba is tapped directly from the tree rather than distilled. The main ingredient is our signature Stress Away essential oil blend. Okay, I've tried the Stress Away. Stress Away is nice, right? Mix 2 to 4 drops of this in your moisturizer. Apply it to your body to nourish the skin and promote a youthful appearance. So okay, so this is good for your like beauty regimen or something. So I have lavender. Okay, this is so long to read, but then generally you use lavender like when you want to fall asleep or relax. So you use 2 to 4 drops on the skin. You can also use this for your skin, for your what do you call that, for your nighttime beauty care stuff. Okay, smells just like lavender. Frankincense. Okay, so if you're Catholic like me, you'll be familiar with frankincense. Okay, so frankincense is one of the gifts ng 3 kings to Papa Jesus. So this is it. This is frankincense. Frankincense is usually found in our skincare products as well. Apply 1 to 2 drops on the face and the neck to reduce mga blemishes. And it's also good for dry skin. Though I feel like when you guys do this, when you add it to your like skincare routine, you have to dilute this, okay, with like a carrier oil or something. Sounds like church. It's a good thing for me. Somehow very relaxing and parang I'd love to diffuse as well, listening to a few worship songs right before sleeping. Love this. Wait, from what I remember, stands for pain away, but I'm just not sure. Don't quote me on this one. This is pan away. Great use after doing a physical activity. So I guess this is a great use after you like work out or go jogging. And you can put this on the bottoms of your feet for a foot massage. Smells very strong. I cannot describe the scent at all. What is it made out of? I'll let you know how it goes once I use it. Next, we have Raven. Not sure, pero parang ito yung replacement ata na RC. Not sure. Basta may replacement si RC daw eh. It's a cleansing blend. It has camphor, lemon, wintergreen, peppermint, and eucalyptus. So apply it on your feet as part of your bedtime routine. And then you can put it, these are the types of oils na you can use it topically. You can put it on your chest, on your head, yun, pang relax ka. Raven. I also can't describe this. Hindi ko na siya ma-describe kasi it's like a mix of many different things. Like camphor, I don't know how that one smells like. The wintergreen, I don't know how that one smells like. So I guess yung nagsa-stand out lang is yung peppermint notes and the eucalyptus ones kasi yun yung familiar ko. The lemon, I can't really smell it. Baka yung parang slightly bitter smell na nasa-smell ko. This box comes with 10. So this is the last one. It's called Citrus Fresh. So it's a combination of orange, grapefruit, mandarin, tangerine, orange, oh I said orange, lemon, and spearmint. This one's my favorite. It just smells like orange juice. I love it. Bango. It's a combination. It's like orange juice but better. Parang 10 times orange juice combined and then it bursts on your nose. Ganon yung smell niya. So like what I discovered kanina. Apparently when you pull this out, there is magic behind us. Okay, so this is it. This is the main one. And then here at the back, may surprise! Okay, mga instructions, really cute. Instructions on how to use the essential oils. Ningxia Red. It's a mixed fruit drink. This is actually very concentrated. It's very expensive. This is a food supplement, I believe. Para siyang, how would I describe this? I guess para siyang yung mga acai berries. Yung mga ganun. Acai, acai. However you like it. Tomato, whatever floats your boat. So ito, Ningxia. Okay. I know what this is. It's a roller ball. Lalagay mo siya sa bottle, I guess. And then after that, rollerball mo siya. So like parang pag may nararamdaman ka, ganun mo lang siya. Instead of having like yung efficient oil na ganun mo, basta kakalat mo, basta lagyan mo ganun. Instead of that, you have this one. May bonus! Oh! Okay, there's a bonus one. It's called Stress Away. I've tried this already. Somebody gifted me this one already before. So Stress Away is their first product to contain the unique combination of lime and vanilla pure essential oils. It also has copaiba and lavender. It's pretty basic. Stress Away. When you're stressed, put it in, diffuse. Okay, distress. Okay, you can definitely smell the notes ng vanilla. I'm not sure if you call it notes, but you can definitely smell the strong scent in here. Very strong siya. And that's not the vanilla, the cedarwood, the copaiba. The lime, not so much. Same goes with the lavender. Hindi ko siya masyado sa smell. Pero it's a very, very unique scent. I don't think I've ever smelled this anywhere. So Stress Away. Loving this already. So then extra power, I guess, para pag may nasila ka or something. And then yun nga yung rollerballer. And then these tiny containers. I don't know what they are for, but I'll figure it out along my oh shucks, my essential oils journey. Okay, I don't know what this is for, to be honest. Okay, so it's like a tiny bottle like that. Opening it and then ito. So I don't know what it's for talaga. I'll figure it out. But anyway, so how much was this? This one, I got this from the sale and I forgot the amount, but besides like 8,000 something, I'll put it na lang at the bottom for you guys to know more about it. And since may code na ako, so use my code, I don't know what you call it, basta use my code if you want to subscribe to. Leave a comment on the chat box if you want to try this one out too. I'd love to share the experience with all of you to try it out. It's unboxing, but I want to try it out too so you can see it and so I can start smelling it now. Try out lang natin to. So, tignan natin yung instructions. So, the instructions say first to remove the outer covering. Remove the cover. Check that nothing's inside. Tapos, i-plug. So, you have to plug this securely down there daw. So, dapat nasa loob yan. Hindi nakalawit sa labas. Okay? So, when you flip it, yan, hindi siya na sasagabal or anything. Okay, so I'm just using some drinking water. And I said to put 8 to 10 drops of your choice of oil. So, I'm using Stress Away kasi medyo stressed ako ngayon. 8 to 10 drops of this. Cover natin siya. So, this part goes to that part. So, now I'm gonna put in the beautiful cover. There. So, let's press the on. Okay, there. The on button and then the light. Ooh! Okay, changes colors. Okay, right, this color is relaxing, so nice. This is how it looks like at night. And then you can see the mist coming out.